let's see if we got a golden ticket. We've done some unpacking videos before, but on the last order we placed with Cerakote, they had this promotion where if you buy any amount of Graphite Black, you had a chance of winning a golden ticket. So if you're seeing this video, you know what happened when we opened the box. Otherwise, this is just going in the disposal reel. So let's see if we got a golden ticket. Drum roll. Drum roll. Come on, man.
Wait a minute.
It's that moment where I wonder if I hit the fucking record button. Yeah, we're good. I did hit the record button. Okay, enough is enough. Fuck yeah, dude. Golden ticket! There we go. And we got some cool stuff here too. Ah. There it is. Even the little guys could win. Thank you guys over at Cerakote. Appreciate you. We'll be in touch.